In a quiet village, a young philosopher pondered the mystery of sneezing. Why do we sneeze? He asked his mentor. To clear our minds, the mentor replied, smiling. The young man was puzzled. But it's just dust and germs, he argued. Ah, the mentor said. But isn't life full of irritants? Each sneeze is a reminder to expel what clouds our thoughts. As the young philosopher walked home, he sneezed, and with it a realization. Life's irritants, like dust, must be expelled to see clearly. He smiled, embracing the wisdom in every sneeze.